About a model called UMLD, User Manual Led Delivery. It's based on TDD, the concept of test driven delivery. I thought it was very exciting that we could start with a test case and work backwards from there. Now in ERP we have an additional advantage. Our screens are standard, which means not only can we write the test cases, we can visualize what the end user is going to see, which led me to the next level. Instead of creating the test cases, let's create the user manuals, because they have to have all the details. They have to have authorizations, they have to have field level validations, they have all the details, and then let's work backwards from there. So I'm going to speak about UMLD. UMLD cuts down time and effort estimates by about 40% in a moderate ERP project, and documentation can go down by up to 70%.
So if I were to ask you from a knowledge management perspective, if we take a knowledge management, does UMLD help as a part of the knowledge management area also?
See, the number one thing that people say when they hear about UMLD is that you're cutting out a lot of documentation. What is critical is that we are cutting out the documentation but not the detailing. Nothing is missed there. Secondly, what is even more important is that this information is presented in the end user language. Now, if you look at a standard ASAP methodology, we create the business blueprint, okay? That is for the use of the business client and for the use of the functional consultant. Then we write the config documentation, which is for the functional consultant. Then we write the technical specification document, which is again for a specific audience. But when everybody works backwards from the user manual, one, everybody is working on the single source of truth, single version of truth. And secondly, and more importantly, everybody accesses the same document, and it suffices the documentation needs of everybody there. So my principle is that documentation must be adequate, which means everything that needs to be documented should be documented, and only that which needs to be documented should be documented.
But that information is most important to document.
Exactly.
What do you think about Agile? I mean, how is Agile just a fad or a technical heritage? What is from your experience?
See, Agile has very definite business value to add, and today the way businesses are, the challenges of our economic environment across the globe, okay? Every single ounce of business value that you can get out of your systems is worth its weight in gold. If you are able to cut down a delivery cycle from 6 months to 2 months, that's 4 months of a good business running, okay? Now the thing with ERP, and why I'm passionate about Agile in ERP, is that ERP enables a whole business. When you realize an ERP implementation faster, you are enabling the whole business. Okay, you are making it process compliant faster. You're making it run that much faster. Okay, so I think there is a lot of business value to be realized there.
And what about the conference? Are you liking it? What is the feedback about the conference?
I think it's an awesome conference. I have learned a lot here. I'm going to